Howdy folks, welcome to today's check-in. We're starting with the Little House kitties, Tiger, Harry, and Opus. They also have a custom cat tree in their space, and there's the full build video for that in the link down below. I also want to say thank you to all of the subscribers. We're well on our way to 500 subscribers, so thank you very much, folks. Appreciate it. And we're going to go ahead and move on with today's check-in and go to the yurt.
Hi, Dizzy May.
And check in with those 6 kitties.
Hi, good girl. Hi, Stache. Hi, Chadwick, Bozeman. Hi. Stache. Hi. Hi, Daisy May. I mean, Tabby Toes. That's Daisy May. That's Tabby Toes. Hi, Tabby Toes. Hi, Junior Toes. Hi. Where's your sister, Stache? She in the storage room, probably. Hey, Mama. Hey, come on. Come on out. Come on. Touch it and come on out.
And next we're going to move on to the cabin kitties.
Oliver.
Check in with Oliver and Kathy.
In just a second, when that goes off, that'll be a good.
Jeez. Wow, that was fast. You were just down like a shot.
Got it all over the face.
Treat time.
We're going to go ahead and wrap up today's check-in in the studio. Checking in with Jazmin and Ghost.
Jazzy.
And once again, just want to say thank you to everybody commenting, watching the videos, subscribing. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.